Hello guys, it's time for another video. This time I will be unboxing an order I placed uh, I think 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so this is from the US. So Puma released a collaboration with Porsche, and they had the turbo line of shoes. So when I first saw it on the website, it mentioned that it will be limited to 500 pairs per design and size. So I immediately tried my luck, and luckily we went in, so I was able to get one. So and this was shipped via air um, through Johnny Air. So if you guys have something you want to buy in the US and there's no option of shipping in the Philippines, you can have it shipped via Johnny Air and you'll get it in about a week. So yeah, so let's unbox this thing. Okay, time to unbox this thing. So okay, that's the receipt. This is the box. So it's wrapped in plastic. Very nice, with the 911 turbo lettering. Time to open. Nice. So it's wrapped in Porsche turbo paper, which of course I won't throw because I'm sentimental like that. So this is the first here. Let me just fix this. So they're out of the box already, and at first look you'll notice this tag which says ignition on the left. So as you may know, all of the 911s have the ignition keys at the left side of the steering column. So it's just a fun fact. Okay, so let's examine the details of the shoe. So there's a 911 turbo 996 marking, and then on the places there will be Porsche written on it. Again, Porsche here, some red details, and then okay, it's kind of dark, so but there's a turbo there sign, and yeah, so tire, so the bottom part is like the grooves of a tire. So very nice. So I wanted this design because the color is a bit neutral and safe. It's color gray, so I can match it to more clothes. So for the other pair, it's similar. There's also 996 inscription, the turbo script, and then there, lettering. So there you have it. That is my pair of Porsche Puma 996 turbo shoes. I'll be posting some detail shots so you can see. I'll also include it in this video. So yeah. if you wanna see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. I have some upcoming videos about my 944 and probably some DIY videos also. So stay tuned. See ya.